Marcus Aurelius once expressed, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." With this perspective in mind, how can we shape our mornings to reflect this Stoic gratitude for life? Today, we bring you a morning routine inspired by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, designed to help you start your day with peace and purpose. Before we dive in, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video to support my efforts in sharing Stoic philosophy. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend doing so and activating the bell icon to stay updated with future content. 1. Reflect on life's transience. One of the key tenets of Stoic philosophy is an acceptance and understanding of the fleeting nature of all things. Each morning, before the world fills with its noise, take a moment to fully engage with this truth. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a posture that balances relaxation with alertness, symbolizing the equilibrium you seek in life. Close your eyes and envision the vastness of the cosmos, stars being born and fading, galaxies in motion, and the passage of time. Within this immense universe, imagine Earth as a small, encompassing the rise and fall of civilizations, enduring mountains, and rivers carving their paths. Now, bring this perspective closer to yourself. Reflect on your own life, a brief moment in this grand narrative. This exercise isn't about diminishing your significance, but about recognizing the value and brevity of your existence. Embracing life's transient nature reminds us to treasure each day, prioritize what matters, and let go of petty distractions. Starting the day with this mindset allows you to face it with purpose and clarity. This ritual isn't about fearing mortality, but about embracing the present with gratitude, love, and intention. As Seneca wisely remarked, life is long if you know how to use it. Grounding your mornings in this practice ensures you live each day meaningfully, fully, and gracefully. 2. Journal your thoughts. Journaling, deeply embedded in Stoic practices, is far more than merely recounting daily events. It is a private dialogue with oneself, a practice of introspection, grounding, and even catharsis. Writing down your thoughts allows you to clarify your mind, translating emotions and ideas into tangible words. Begin by selecting a journal that resonates with you. It could be a plain notebook, a beautiful diary, or even a digital document. This is your sacred space, free from judgment or outside expectations, where your unfiltered thoughts can take form. Each morning, start by jotting down whatever comes to mind. It might be fragments of dreams, lingering emotions from the previous day, or anticipations for the day ahead. This initial process clears mental clutter, much like sweeping fallen leaves from a courtyard. Then, shift your attention to gratitude. In the hustle of life, it's easy to focus on what's missing or what we desire. Stoicism, however, reminds us to value the present. Write down 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. It could be the warmth of your bed, the smile of a loved one, or the simple privilege of waking up to a new day. Beyond gratitude, engage in self-reflection. Consider a Stoic principle or reflect on a personal challenge. Ask yourself questions. Am I living according to my values? Did I act impulsively rather than rationally yesterday? How can I improve today? This isn't about self-criticism, but cultivating self-awareness and growth. Conclude your journaling with an intention for the day, an affirmation rooted in the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These intentions serve as a moral compass, guiding your decisions and actions throughout the day. Remember, your journal is a mirror reflecting your inner world, a companion, mentor, and tool for self-growth. Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, one of the most profound Stoic texts, began as his personal journal. It was his way of internalizing Stoic principles, understanding his actions, and navigating life's complexities. 3. Set daily intentions, not goals. While goals and intentions both guide our paths, they do so in distinct ways. Goals are future-oriented, emphasizing outcomes and achievements, often tied to factors beyond our control. Intentions, however, anchor us in the present, focusing on how we wish to navigate our day and embody our values. Stoicism emphasizes the distinction between what we can control and what we cannot. Goals often hinge on external circumstances and can be derailed by unforeseen obstacles. Intentions, on the other hand, remain entirely within our control. They represent conscious choices about how we wish to act and respond. After clearing your mind through journaling, reflect on the day you want to create. Rather than listing tasks to complete, ask yourself, who do I want to be today? Perhaps you want to cultivate patience, embracing each moment without rushing. Or maybe you aim to be compassionate, understanding that everyone carries their own burdens. Write down these intentions, such as, today, I will listen more than I speak, or I will approach conflicts with understanding. These aren't items to check off, but reminders of the person you aspire to be. As Seneca noted, it does not matter what you bear, but how you bear it. By setting daily intentions, you shift your focus from outcomes to virtues, ensuring that no matter what the day brings, you have a guiding principle for your actions and attitudes. 4. Embrace discomfort. In our modern world, comfort is often seen as a measure of success. However, the Stoics recognize that an unchallenged pursuit of comfort can hinder personal growth. They advocated for deliberately introducing small discomforts to build resilience and prepare for life's inevitable difficulties. As Seneca advised, set aside a certain number of days during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, with coarse and rough dress, saying to yourself the while, is this the condition that I feared? The purpose isn't to promote unnecessary suffering, but to break free from dependency on external comforts and rediscover your inner strength. Each morning, consider introducing a small act of voluntary discomfort. Perhaps take a cold shower to invigorate your senses and symbolize a fresh start, reminding yourself of your ability to endure. Alternatively, you might skip your morning coffee, reaffirming that your energy comes from within, not from external stimulants. Other practices might include reflecting on past hardships and recognizing the growth they inspired, or opting for a walk or bike ride instead of driving, embracing physical exertion as a testament to your capabilities. These acts of discomfort serve two purposes. They train your mind and spirit to handle challenges, and they foster gratitude for the comforts you do have. In embracing discomfort, you aren't punishing yourself. You're empowering yourself. You're discovering a deeper strength, shedding unnecessary dependencies, and embracing a freedom that comes from within. 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Though Stoicism and mindfulness originate from different cultural roots, ancient Greece for the former and Eastern traditions for the latter, they converge in their emphasis on living a centered and intentional life. The Stoics understood the power of the present moment, recognizing that much human suffering stems from dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. As Epictetus wisely observed, men are disturbed not by things, but by the views which they take of them. Begin your morning by dedicating time to mindfulness or meditation. This doesn't require sitting in a lotus position or reciting mantras unless that resonates with you. It's about grounding yourself in the here and now. Find a quiet spot and adopt a comfortable posture. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest or the cool air entering your nostrils. When your mind inevitably wanders, gently guide it back to your breath without judgment. Once centered, expand your awareness to your body. Notice sensations such as the weight of your body against the chair or the texture of your clothing against your skin. Recognize these sensations without assigning meaning or judgment. They simply are. From here, transition to observing your thoughts and emotions, envisioning them as leaves floating on a stream or clouds drifting in the sky. This practice helps you detach from your thoughts, embodying the Stoic idea that we can control our perceptions, not external events. Conclude your meditation by reflecting on a Stoic principle or quote. For example, consider Marcus Aurelius's words, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." Allow this wisdom to guide your mindset and actions throughout the day. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your morning, You align with the Stoic values of clarity, self-awareness, and equanimity in the face of life's unpredictability. 6. Revisit Stoic teachings. The timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy offers a reliable guide for living with grace, resilience, and purpose. However, these teachings are not meant to be read once and forgotten. They require consistent reflection to become deeply ingrained in our lives. Each morning, make it a habit to engage with the words of Stoic masters such as Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus. Approach these texts with intention. You might open a Stoic book at random, letting chance guide you to a passage, or follow a structured daily meditation book. Often, you'll find that the selected wisdom resonates with your current circumstances or the challenges of the day ahead. Take time to read slowly, letting the words sink in, and reflect on their relevance to your life. Consider journaling your thoughts after reading, writing down why. Our reflections transforms the ancient wisdom into personal insight. How does the teaching apply to your experiences? What lessons can you draw from it? By translating Stoic principles into your own words, you deepen your understanding and prepare to embody these ideas in your actions. Stoicism, however, is a philosophy of action. The true value of this ritual lies in applying what you learn. If a passage reminds you of life's brevity, let it inspire you to cherish each moment. If it speaks to the insignificance of others' opinions, use it as armor against undue criticism or praise. By revisiting Stoic teachings daily, you renew your commitment to live with intention, aligning your actions with virtue and wisdom. 7. Practice amor fati. Among the core tenets of Stoicism is amor fati, or the love of one's fate. This principle invites us to not just accept, but to embrace whatever life brings, be it joy or sorrow, triumph or adversity. This mindset isn't about passive resignation, but about finding meaning and opportunity in every experience. As you start your day, reflect on the potential challenges ahead. Rather than viewing them as obstacles, see them as essential parts of your journey, handpicked to shape your character. Recall Marcus Aurelius's words, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This perspective transforms difficulties into stepping stones for growth, resilience, and wisdom. To embody amor fati, mentally prepare yourself for the uncertainties of the day. If a challenge arises, instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" or affirm, "This is exactly what I needed." This approach doesn't diminish hardships, but highlights their potential for personal transformation. Carrying amor fati into your day allows you to approach life with resilience and gratitude. Every event, whether trivial or significant, becomes a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your existence. This mindset fosters freedom, as you no longer resist life's ebbs and flows, but embrace them as part of a greater design. By incorporating these 7 Stoic practices into your mornings, you lay a foundation for a purposeful, peaceful, and resilient life. Stoicism isn't about denying emotions or living austerely. It's about recognizing what's within your control, cultivating inner peace, and approaching life with wisdom and grace. Which of these practices will you integrate into your routine? Let us know in the comments, and remember to subscribe to continue exploring Stoic philosophy. Until next time, embrace these practices and let them transform your mornings and ultimately your life.